Hello everyone, I'm Jack from Nation Stars. We are the LED components manufacturer in China, and we have two brands in our company. That is the Reestar and Nation Star. So Nation Star is the regular series for our companies, and the Reestar is the top series, which means our competitors is clear and this year. And in our booth, this time we have two kinds of products we will show to our customers. So this one is the first for the mini LEDs. And now we already have three mini LEDs in mass productions. There are the 1.5, 0.9, and 0.7 mini LEDs. That is the 4-in-1 design. Different from the technology in the market, they are using the traditional SMD and COB technology. And what we use is the IMD technology. The full name is the Integrated Matrix Device. That means we will use the N-in-1 design for the mini LEDs. Now we already have three kinds of this mini LED, but maybe this year we will develop the 0.5 and 0.4 mini LEDs. And maybe next 2 years, we will get into the micro LED market. And on that part, that is the traditional SMD LED design. This part is the Reestar series, and we have some customer size series that is different from the traditional designs. It will have some of them. It will has the ISE inside, and also with the infrared, and also the 1010 LED, but with brightness. And this one is the over 10,000 brightness outdoor SMD LEDs. And this one is the most special one because it is also used in the outdoor applications, but it has smaller pixel pitch and also combine the top LED and chip LED advantages. So that's what we have in this booth, the mini LED and the Reestar SMD LEDs. So if you need more information, please click on our website and we will discuss more details. Thank you.